Hi, welcome to the channel. This is Mercedes C-Class Coupe 220D 2017 model. Basically, you can see engine management light on. After 186 miles, car will not start. Okay, yeah, that's a problem at the moment vehicle has. Right, I got the faulty codes. There is a two faulty code under SCR. First faulty code P13DF00. AdBlue system has a malfunction. The second faulty code P20E800. The pressure in the AdBlue system is too low. Right. This is the very important faulty code P20E88. And also when I go to the engine section, P13E400, remaining driver distance. We know that one because it say here 186 miles left. Right. Okay. 204F96. The AdBlue system bank 1 has malfunction. This one look like to me something not right. AdBlue inject area. Engine cannot be start. We know. Yeah. AdBlue control system malfunction. Right. In here basically two faulty codes here and the four faulty codes there. When I check all faulty codes, I need to narrow down bit. When I narrow down, my main suspect P20E800 and bank one P204F96. Yeah, basically I need to check that two faulty codes what's going on. First of all, I'm going to jack up the car and go underneath and have a look what's going on there. Right, you saw all that photo underneath basically leaking around AdBlue injector and the same time AdBlue pipe. I feeling this one hit somewhere, that's why the all problem created. You can see the this things came out from the AdBlue injector. This is the under tray. When I turn other side, hit somewhere, you can see the all broken edges. Then this one affected to the AdBlue pipe. I feel him because this is straight underneath AdBlue injector and that blue pipe. It could be damaged. That's why it's all broken around this area. Okay, and I'm going to check the any meter reading for the AdBlue. Yeah, at the moment it couldn't measure the AdBlue level also well. Right, okay, never mind, no need to panic. First of all, I'm going to delete all faulty codes because I got the report, and I'm going to delete everything and have a look what faulty code remaining and what faulty code disappeared. Yes, complete. Right, under the SCR, system malfunction. Yeah, driving distance. Okay, and the bank one. Okay, now next step, I'm going to check the AdBlue injector. Right, I'm going to check with the computer because the my other computer not supporting much. Then I using hotel one. I'm going to do the leak test first. I will follow this instruction and after that I'll show you what's going on here. Yeah, now I can hear the pump working. I can see something leaking there. See, right, we know where exactly leaking. Okay, what we done, this is under tray for the AdBlue tank, and this side we took it off the wheel arch, and the wheel there, this side all clear now. And after that we have to take out the under tray cover. Here two covers we already took it out. Right, what we need to do, this is the parts we got from the Mercedes. If you need a part number, this is the part number for this car. Right, what we need to do, we need to start up from the one side, from the tank or from AdBlue injector, either way you can start. I'm going to start from the AdBlue tank end. What you need to do, go to the AdBlue tank end and you can quiz in this tab. You can see this white tab, just quiz in and remove. Then after that you need to install this one to the pump, and after that you need to follow this all wiring line until get to the AdBlue injector end. Once you go, you can remove this one and connect. I'll show you where's the starting point. You can see this clip, this one, press in and take out. Yeah, then after that, however, I'm going to remove this pump and I'm going to drain the all AdBlue here, and after that I'm going to refill the new AdBlue, because this AdBlue poor quality. I'm going to remove this connector also well. Then after that I can remove the pump and drain the AdBlue. Just press down the gray tab. Right, both out. Then after that I'm going to remove these three screws, take out the pump and leave it for the draining. You can see this line coming up here. Old line follow this line with the new line, and if you need to remove this connector, you can put the flyer like this. I'll show you somewhere easy to see. This is the way you need to do, using like this tool. Just flyer out. Right, you can see, just take it out. When you're going to install, just press in. Right, we already took it out the pump and we leave to the draining. This is the good AdBlue. I'll check with the expiry date and I'll check with my meter. It say 33 point, but however need to be 32.5, but 33 it's okay for me. Then after that I'm using another 5 liter for the flush the tank. Then after that I'm going to refill another 15 liters. I don't want to overfill, because of that I am refill again 15 liters. Right, we already changed the whole line. This side we left it underneath injector out, AdBlue injector out. Now I'm going to play with the computer. I'm going to the activation test, visual leaking test. I can hear this side pump working. Yeah, and we'll see any leaking underneath. Right, at the moment pressure holding, still pressure holding, it's good. 6.8 pressure, still holding. Yeah, we'll see anything leaking from there. You can see that this value drop down to until 0.9. That's one not good sign, because same time I saw this injector slightly leaking. Yeah, that's one not good sign. Anyway, still this the injector okay, but it's not 100% healthy. So I'm going to contact the customer and find out this customer need a new injector or not. Yeah, we got the approval for the new injector. Yeah, this is the Bosch brand, little bit cheaper aftermarket compared with the new sensor. New sensor means the Mercedes. However, we will change this sensor and we'll come back to you. Everything done, under tray, everything back to normal. Right, now time to play with the computer. Right, going to the special function. Right, yeah, that process completed. Continue and read trouble codes and clear codes. Active and stored. Still not allowed to clear. Right, okay, never mind. Yeah, at the moment both computers not support. What I'm going to do, I'm going to do good motorway journey with the live data and have a look anything more need to attend. Yeah, went to the motorway, still engine light on. Normally I do 20 miles, but this car I went 42 miles because I feel if I do 20 miles, definitely this light will not sort out. But however, I went 42 miles, take a more time to the motorway, but still no any success. Right. Done the program. That's the last option. Yeah, I done the program. So now all light disappeared, and we'll see any fun for the service. Yeah, you can see messages disappeared. AdBlue 5400. Yeah, at the moment all good, and we'll see with the computer any faulty code left there. Yeah, at the moment no any trouble code. Yeah, success job, little bit complicated, but finally we got the answer. Okay, thanks for watching. If you need to join with us our subgroup Facebook group, I will add the link in the description. You can click that link and you can join with us. Also, if you're running mobile mechanic business or recovery tow truck service business in a UK, there is a website called towmycar.uk. Then you can log into that website and you can get more leads and more income. Keep in your mind, first 250 heads free of charge lifetime membership. Because of that, hurry up and sign up there. Thank you. See you in the next video.